So, okay, Noura, go ahead, please. You're the last person to speak, inshallah. I'm sorry that I let you wait for that long.
No problem. Can I comment on the sister married Arab?
Go ahead, Habib.
Can I comment? Can she hear me, or is she
Yeah,
close
they're here.
by?
She can hear you. Yes.
Yes. From my experience, it's really sometimes offended him when you come, hey, say, oh, we're partner, we need to do this and that. What works for me, I use my kids. I use my kids because I tried the other way. It depends how their mom raised them. In my case, his mom raised him as like the same sister, like she was talking. I can't say all Arab like that, because my brother, my dad, they raised different. You know what I mean? Like it's all about the mom in that house, how she raised him. She made the girls work hard for him. Was he like doing chores in the house? This is what I mean by how the mom raised. Okay. So the thing is, what works for me, I tried the other way. To be honest, this is not gonna work. This is my case. Some type of Arab man, if you tell him, hey, come, the first answer they're gonna tell you, you don't tell me what to do. Okay, let's go to therapy. Let's go like family counseling. I don't need to go to anywhere. I'm fine. So there is a big problem. You're talking about something that you can't even fix with this way. So what's worked for me, I use the children. Oh, he loves you. He wants to go with you in your car. He likes your car more. He likes your driving. And that's how I get out of taking my downtown child to his school, because I need help. I don't want to go to downtown after I wake up 2 hours before to make the breakfast and lunch for school for 3 kids. And you know what I mean? Like there is so much work. I don't want to go to downtown. So the only way, like for his case, I don't know the sister, maybe her case is similar to mine, and I believe so. You need to use the kids. I don't know her kids' age. Sometimes I push the kids to go ask him, oh, Dad, I want you to buy me this. You know, like this is what worked for me.
Noura, can you give us an example, for example? Can you give us an example, please? You're laughing at you.
What? I gave you example for the downtown. I have 2 kids in one school.
Yes, girl. Yes, thank you.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, you know.
I use the kids. I sneak around. I have to be very smart. Whenever I talk, I'm very good in communication. I don't think there is anyone in this world can be like very open like me. So it's not working. It's not.
Yeah, Noura, that's an excellent example. Thank you so much. I applaud you, because this is more about Noura being very clever. This is about Noura being very smart. She needs her husband to do something, and he's not going to be someone, you know, sometimes the man doesn't want to be told what to do. Men are like that in general. When you tell a man what to do, he's not going to do it because you told him. He has to think of it himself to feel like, oh, I'm the one who thought of it. So you kind of have to make him think that it was his idea. And that takes a very special kind of woman who can make the man think it is his idea to do something that she wanted to do. You know what I mean? Because a man doesn't want a woman to tell him what to do. It doesn't make him feel good that she's bossing him or telling him. So
okay,
she
so
has
something to say too about that.
Yeah,
I noticed. I noticed that if I casually say something like, oh, like I've been doing so much today around the house, but there's this one thing I really need to do. I don't know if I have time. It's, for example, I don't know, I need help organizing the top shelf because I can't reach. And then 15 minutes later, he'll come in. He's like, hey, I think that shelf needs, I think I can do it. So anytime I'll be like, oh, but it's
Exactly.
it's such a
Because-
long day. Like, I don't know. And eventually he'll come around and be like, hey, I'm going to do it. I'm like, yes, he
Okay,
got it.
Yes, so
He got
yes,
it.
so let me exactly. So what you've done is you have made him feel like he is the man. You're making him feel that he's so powerful, that he's so important, that he's so valuable. And it's a certain kind of, it's like an art, really. It's an art. How you say, oh, I need you, I can't reach that high, or oh, you're a better driver than me. You know, the kids love to drive with you because they feel safer, or oh, you know, you're so strong, you know, I can't carry those groceries. Or for example, you know, there's a bug in the bathroom and you don't want to smash the cockroach, and oh, I need you, please, can you get this for me? And you scream and they feel so powerful, they come and they were the hero. It's about making a man feel like a hero. Bottom line, every man wants to be a hero for their wife. And if you can make that man feel like that hero in whatever way, that's the secret. And Noor, you've got it down. you know exactly what to do.
Sister, the example that sister gave is not gonna work. Like if I say, oh, this child, and then he's gonna say, leave it like this, I don't care, you know, like you're talking about, you need to know the person you're dealing with. You need to know this person. And please, sister, I want to tell, like, I want from you one thing. If we get this only from this, I wish I can teach everybody this, is like anything they say about you, anything when they are mad, anything they don't like about you, it's not about you. Please don't take it personal, please. It's not about you. It's not something that you're not Arab enough, you're not skinny enough, it's not something about you. It's their problems. They don't know, they have problem with themselves. They want to throw garbage on you because it's the stress is inside them. Wallahi, it's nothing it's nothing about you, nothing. Wallahi, it's just something inside them. I have a stress, I put it on this person because this person is weaker than me, and it's all about how you take it. If he says stupid, oh yes, say whatever you want. Like I will feel happy. I laugh if he says stupid. Wallahi, I laugh from the bottom of my heart, because being stupid in front of his eyes is not gonna ask me for more, you know, for more like things to do, you know. Like for me is like, I don't care, because I know myself. I love me, so I don't care if he say like I'm not smart enough. It's less work, you know. Like he's not gonna ask me for things that I have to deal with. I have enough to deal with, you know. So this is what I want to say. Like, please don't take it personal in anything. Like a river,
No, she's not. Alhamdulillah. Yeah. So Jazakallah khair, Sister Noura. Jazakallah khair, Sister Sandra, Iman. Jazakallah khair all for coming and participating with us. MashaAllah, we have good attendance today. It went up to 24, 25. And we have also a good attendance here in the class. So that is a big indication that, mashallah, this is a subject that it really interests a lot of people. But أقول قولي هذا وأستغفر الله العظيم. I say this and I ask Allah for forgiveness. If we say something right, then it is from Allah. If we say something wrong, then it is from shaitan or our nafs. And we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for sincerity. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to grant us tranquility and peace in our heart, and to also increase the love between each other as spouses, husband and wife, and also bring peace in our heart, and make Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to be the lead in our relationship, to be Islam is to be the judge between us. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make our manners, our morals to be the best just like Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala made our appearances to be the best. Jazakumullah khair. May Allah reward you. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I love you all and I'll see you tomorrow morning, inshallah. May Allah reward you. Assalamu alaikum wa
Assalamu
rahmatullahi
alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah.